so here's the tip if your smoke alarm keeps going off. So, I'm gonna take this thing off its base. Here's its base. So, here's the first word. The model of it is SA303. So, what you're gonna want to do is check your date, and as you can see, is 2015, March 13th. So, it's getting old. So, your smoke detectors will begin to start going bad and sometimes goes off. So my suggestion is replace it. Like if you're a firearm collector, keep it, but if you're not, or something like that, people just normally throw it away. Then you're gonna want to take this base off, or maybe you could just keep it on there, because this symbol supposed to work like that as well. Or just keep changing the 9-volt battery. That's one of the suggestions. So yeah.